Who was it? It was Miss Sullivan. So it was just a habit that he said, to hold that basket. That pack should be down off their back to your side. And anything in your hands should be put away. And we're going to go ahead and get ready to get started. Okay. All right, will you please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance? Right hands. Other right. Very good. Attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, so that's the flag. Ready? Begin. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma, its symbols of peace unite all people. All right, you may be seated. This week we talked a lot about goals, behavior, procedures, and I asked you 2 days ago about where you are on your AR points and how close you are to reaching level 1 of your library reading challenge. And I'm hoping that since then that you have had the chance to look to see where you're at. I know I've had a couple of kids tell me that they did look after I said that, and they couldn't tell me how many points that they had earned so far and how close they were to reaching their first level. So thank you for doing that. And if you have not looked yet to see where you're at, I want you to try to do that today when you have your computer out. Can you do that? How many of you know exactly where you're at right now? Do you know where you're at right now as far as points go? Good. Fifth grade, I want you to look today where you're at some time. Okay, good. And you know what your goals are. Okay? So think about that. That's something you can't think about during the moment of silence. Ready? Begin. Today's lunch is a pepperoni pizza pocket, broccoli, corn, and apples. We have some celebrations today. Hold on, I gotta collect all these trophies. I heard somebody say, why are there so many trophies? That's because people are mastering or reaching their STMAT goal. Okay, first one, certificates for extra math, Denise. She's back there. Denise has her multiplication bags in under 6 seconds. Congratulations, Denise. Deshaun. He has his division facts in under 6 seconds. Good job, Deshaun. Okay, we have these wonderful STMAT GG trophies to hand out. And that's because they have reached 25% of their puzzle progress. That's actually 25% of their GGs. That's fine. Okay, puzzle progress. Leah Wagner. There she is. All right. Congratulations, Leah. Here's your trophy. Kai Campbell. See here? There it is, right here. Congratulations, Kai. Kalina Cabrales. Now go over here. Here. Oh, there you are. Stand up, little girl. Congratulations, Dawn. And then I have these. This one is on paper, and her trophy is going to be put up in the hall on the bulletin board. And Lily White. Congratulations. Start over. Congratulations, Lily. Okay, Daryl Vaughn. Fourth grade, he's not here? Oh, okay. Faith Canfield. Faith, there she is. All right, Faith also has her ST Math certificate for achieving 25% of her goal. Good job. And Renata Espinosa. Same thing. Congratulations, everyone, for doing that.
Forget to print them, but I have two. I have Aliana Spiva and Kaylani Kimball have finished. They're getting theirs today.
Oh, all right. Aliana Spiva and Kalani, stand up. They have also completed their 25%. Good job, girls. Thank you. Remember, I don't have a day up there, but it might be in their announcements. Does anybody remember the day in October that I said we need to try to get to your goal? What is it? October 25th? Okay, October 25th is where we want you to try to have that done, okay? Good job. I have one student who has what we add to the list every day, so we're adding one more today, and that is Bodie Kimball. Stand up, Bodie. Bodie has reached level 1 of Beach Ball Island on the reading challenge. Good job, Bodie. All right. Announcements. Today, we have the card at 1 o'clock. Do you mind about your schedule? The city's in charge of that, I think so. Anyway, we'll have you covered if you have a meeting today. And what time? We can do the Wildcat football players don't come on Fridays when they go out of town. So they're not here to do it with us today because they're traveling to Muskogee tonight. I had to look this morning. It's quite a drive. I'm not looking forward to that. But anyway, we can go ahead and do the Wildcat Fly song with them. Are you ready? Because they're still playing. They're still cheering them on. So stand up. Stand up. All right, ready? Remember, we have to keep up with the fast beat. Oh, whoops.
Oh yeah, you're from left.